In this video, I will show you how to get the number of days before a date in Excel like this using two methods. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to get the number of days before these dates from today's date. For example, today's date is 3rd July 2024. So the days before 13th July 2024 from today is 10 days. Dates are just serial numbers in Excel. It starts from 1st January 1900 that is represented by the number 1. So if we have the number 1 in the cell and we format it as a date, it will be displayed as 1st January 1900 as we can see from this example. Similarly, if we have the number 10 and format the cell as a date, it will be displayed as 10th January 1900 like this. Since the dates are serial numbers, we can subtract one date from another just like any other number to get the difference in days. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Select the cell containing the date first. Now type the minus sign. Type today followed by an opening and a closing bracket. The today function returns today's date. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the days before specific dates from today. We can also use the days function to get the days before a date. The days function returns the number of days between two dates. This function accepts two arguments, an end date and a start date. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type days followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Type a comma and then type the today function. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the days before specific dates from today. The advantage of using the today function instead of the hard-coded date is that this formula is dynamic. It means that whenever we open the Excel file or whenever the sheet is recalculated, we will get the latest updated number of days before today. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.